you'd be forgiven for thinking these images of a Range Rover 6x6 pickup truck are the work of someone with a wild imagination who adept at Photoshop. Surely, such a crazy creation could never exist in the real world. But while these images are technically still renders, they are previewing a future project that this Range Rover 6x6 is being turned into a reality as a rival to the mighty Mercedes-AMG G63 6x6 and Maybach G650 Landaulet. It is being made by Jaguar Land Rover, however. Foschiatus Design, a German company that the brainchild of designer Theodoros Foschiatus, intends to turn the Range Rover into a 6x6 pickup. Based on the long wheelbase model, the Range Rover has been further stretched, given another axle, 2 additional tires, and a pickup bed. Dubbed the Foschiatus Superiact Land Tender SLT and measuring 19 feet long, the 6-wheeled Range Rover is being designed for Superiact owners who want to travel on land in style. It is designed to be a Superiact tender, Foschiatus told The Drive. Until now, Superiact owners arrive at the dock aboard their 30-foot tender limos and then have to use Maybach or Rolls-Royce to get around town. The SLT is a vehicle dedicated specifically to the yachting world, and style ambassadors talk about having first-world problems. Each unit will unique to each rich owner specification and will even receive a new VIN number. Buyers will have a choice of a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder with a hybrid system, a 4.4-liter diesel V8, or Jaguar Land Rover 5.0-liter supercharged V8. No pricing details have been announced, but we doubt that will of much concern if you can already afford a Superiact. All going well, expect to see the finished project debut at the Monaco Yacht Show in September.